Hey guys, Nikki is here back with another review video of the multiple income funnel, and for this section we are focusing on the traffic tab. So what is traffic in multiple income funnel? Traffic is what basically gets you out there showing your business to people. Just like any business, right? Let's say you have a store full of valuable information and products, right? But if you just have everything packed in the store and nobody's coming to see what you actually have in your store, you're never going to make a sale. And that's where traffic comes in. With the affiliates marketing specifically, traffic is very important because you want to get your business link out there and show it to the world. You want as many people as possible to see and click on your link and see what are you offering, and that's what is called traffic. But again, everything is business. In order to get that traffic, online traffic, one of the easiest way you can get fast traffic and start promoting your links is through the multiple income funnel integrated traffic income stream. And this is what this tab is. Just so if I click here, alright, you see it takes you to this website. I'm automatically logged in. It takes you to this website called Traffic Authority, and with Traffic Authority it allows you to buy traffic so that you can start promoting your business right away. Trust me, when I first started, after I got my income streams set up and I start hearing about in order to generate traffic you have to do YouTube videos, you have to get on social media, ad campaigns and all that. And my biggest concern was, okay, I have no background with social media and how to do all this stuff. So just imagine if you are totally new, it's gonna take you some time to actually learn this stuff and then to actually start getting subscribers and so on. So my concern was, is that a way for me to quickly start promoting my links and start making sales, or at least get people to see the business that I'm doing? And luckily, multiple income funnel fourth income stream is called traffic is about Traffic Authority. So when you log in and then you get here, it allows you to purchase traffic automatically. For example, as you can see, the very first one that I purchased, let me show you my past orders. See, on my past order I purchased the basic traffic, and basic traffic costs $220. So this will run from 7 to 14 days, and it gives you approximately 170 to 190 clicks. So that's how many people you click in. So once you purchase it, it will start running. You can pause it or alternate your links, right? So every day it will run the ad on social on different platforms, I believe, and then people get to see it, and then if they click on it, that's how you get your leads, right? You start getting leads by getting those clicks, and then eventually if somebody is really interested, like, oh, that looks interesting, I can start making money from home, I can have my own business, then they will go ahead and sign up. So this I just wanted to give you a quick overview of how you can immediately start promoting your links when you join multiple income funnel without having to wait for a long time. I mean, you can go the slowest way, which it all depends on your priority. You can either take your time to learn about social media, be a YouTuber, TikTok, Facebook ads, promoting on Facebook, and it will take some months for you to actually start building trust and subscribers, and who can eventually turn into customers. But if you want to go, if you just signed up and then you're like, okay, I need to start making money right now, how do I get people to see my links? I need to start making money, and you want to go as fast as possible, then I recommend that you go this way, this route. So what you do is, again, for everything you need to come to the back office. Once you log in, you go to traffic, it takes you there. You have the basic package, which I talked about. That's what I started with. And then you have the bronze package, which is, so based on your budget, you go ahead and choose which one is convenient for you. Alright, you choose whichever one is convenient for you, place your order, and yeah, if you're like super busy and you just want to like purchase and then forget about it and go about other business, then you just purchase and then they will start running, showing your links out there. You go ahead and post which link you want people to see most, like I did on my previous video. You can see we have different VSL and lead capturing page, so you choose whichever one you think will be more appealing to people, and use that link to promote the business in Traffic Authority, if that makes any sense. So that's pretty much it. Just a quick run through of how you can get started with getting fast traffic, and this is how. So again, if you have any question or concern, or if I'm not clear on anything that you have questions on, please feel free to leave down your comment below, and I'll make sure that I answer them. That's pretty much it. Again, Traffic Authority, there's a whole side of it, like they have their own affiliate program as well, which you can promote and make money with. So but for this tutorial, I just wanted to show you how Traffic Authority can help you promote your business as it relates to multiple income funnel. And this is how I hope that you understand this. And yeah, leave your comment down below, subscribe, like, share, and let's get this going. On my upcoming tutorial, it will be about the team. This will be really fast. So yeah, I got 5 more tutorials for the back office. So stay tuned. Keep working hard. Don't give up. It gets easier. Trust me, it gets easier with time. Even if you're like entirely new, it gets easier. Just don't give up. Stay consistent. And I wish you all the best of success. See you guys on the next video. Bye.